संसारदावा नललितलोका त्राणाय कारुण्यघन घनत्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्य गीता वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाश्वतरङ्गभाजं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादो स्वातन्नतृप्तां हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्ना प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। See, when this is all Sri Bhagavan Uvacha in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan is speaking, but who knows the heart of Bhagavan? Who knows how much Bhagavan is yearning for bhakta? And who knows that? The one who knows the heart of Bhagavan is the Bhagavata. He has to explain this is what is going on in the heart of Bhagavan. And this is how the bhakti is such a living, constantly, every moment living process between the Bhakta and Bhagavan. So all this is revealed by the Bhagavata, the Sadhu Guru. Bhagavan Uvacha is like a sutra. It is all unpacked and brought into life. So much so that we can feel and then think, hey Bhagavan, you are in the Nama and you are doing all this for me. How can I not fall in love with you, Bhagavan? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So all this for Bhagavan is made possible by the Bhagavata because he knows the heart of Bhagavan. He is in the heart of Bhagavan. And it is the same heart that he reveals to the bhaktas. And when all the bhaktas, when all the jivas, when they get to know what is happening here in the heart of Bhagavan, what is Bhagavan doing for us, what will happen to the jivas? They would fall at the lotus feet of Bhagavata first. And then, of course, the Nama Bhagavan. This is how it gets bonded. The jiva gets bonded with Bhagavan. So Sadhu Guru is like an auspicious cloud. Auspicious cloud pouring down waters of Krishna into our heart, into our lives. This is how he pours the waters of Krishna. Bhagavan Uvacha. All the Bhagavan Uvacha, everything about Bhagavan is revealed by this Bhagavata. So, Sadhguru is always engaged in the loving seva of Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the Nama. Why will he not be engaged? He has so much love for Bhagavan that he is always absorbed in the loving seva of Bhagavan. In the Nama, in the Sri Vigraha, and Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. In this way, every moment he is relishing. And every moment he is relishing that love for Bhagavan, with Bhagavan, the Rupa Guna Leela. He is with Bhagavan, so of course he will see the Bhagavan and he will feel the Bhagavan and he is in the Leela of Bhagavan. Rupa Guna Leela. It's not a theoretical text for him that he has to hear about the Rupa and the Guna and hear about the pastimes. No, it is all happening to him. He is with Bhagavan, seeing the Bhagavan, feeling the Bhagavan, being with Bhagavan, doing for Bhagavan. Bhagavan is doing for him. Is living with Bhagavan, living with. Ah. So Nikunjayo no Radikeli Sithai Ayale Biryukti Rapekshani Atrati Daksha Tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Sakshat Haritvena Samasta Shastra Yuktastada Bhavyatena Sadbihi Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Ah, he is living with Bhagavan. Shri Guru is living with Bhagavan. As we speak now, living with Bhagavan. What are we doing then, huh? Where are we living? Who are we living with? When we are Sharanagata Bhaktas, taking complete shelter of the Sadhu Guru who is living with Bhagavan, then who am I living with then? So Radhika Prisaki, Sadhu Guru is Radhika Prisaki, and he came as Krishna Kripa Srimurti. Yeah, not only we are just Sanathas devotees. Here we hear the sadhu is living with Bhagavan. And then where is our place? What is our occupation when we are Sharanagata Bhaktas? What else we be doing? Where else we are? Where are we then? So, Yasya prasado bhagavat prasada yasya prasado nagate kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. All the mercy of Bhagavan is coming as mercy of Sadhu Guru because he is living with Bhagavan. He is the one that will make us live with Bhagavan. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha.